In this video, we will see a brief overview of the addressable control units and their connection options. There are two addressable fire alarm control units, 2050FS and 2250FS. The 2050FS model is a small, one-loop addressable control unit with the capacity of 50 devices and addressable points. Additionally, it has two conventional notification appliance circuit or NACs. Whereas, the 2250 model is a larger, one-loop addressable control unit with the capacity of 250 devices and addressable points. Additionally, it has four notification circuits or NACs. Let's now take a closer look at the connection options available for the addressable control units. On the upper left of the circuit board are the connectors for NAC wiring. The NAC circuits can be wired as either Class A or Class B circuits. Whereas, the 2050 model supports two NACs, the 2250 model supports four NACs. On the lower left is the MX loop connection. The 2050 model supports up to 50 devices on its one loop, and the 2250 model supports up to 250 addressable devices or points on its one loop. The control unit is powered by the maximum AC input of 120 volt, 2 ampere power supply or by 240 VAC, 1 ampere supply. On the bottom center is the battery terminal. Up to 2 batteries can be connected to provide power backup to the control unit in case of AC power failure, for example in case of a power outage. The control unit cabinets can accommodate up to two 18 amp-hour batteries. Batteries up to 25 ampere-hour can be housed in an external battery cabinet. The lower right has connections for two auxiliary power circuits, both of which have a maximum power rating of 1 amp. Auxiliary 1 is a non-resettable auxiliary circuit and can be used to power peripheral devices, such as annunciators. Auxiliary 2 is a resettable auxiliary circuit and can be used to power conventional detectors, such as flame detector or beam detector. An RS485 communicator is located on the middle right of the board. RS485 is used for communications from the control unit to the annunciators. Above the RS485 communicator connection, there are 3 relays. Relay 1 is the fire relay and is non-programmable. It will trigger alarm in case of any fire event. Relay 2 is the common trouble relay and is programmable. It will trigger alarm if any common trouble programmed by you occurs. Relay 3 is a supervisory relay and can be programmed. The USB port is used to upload programs and upgrade the firmware of the control unit. In this video, you have seen a brief overview of the connection options available the addressable control units.